I just spent the entire day inside OpenAI's brand new ChatGPT work running on GPT 5.6, and I'm about to cancel 2 subscriptions because of it. But here's the twist: the feature everyone's hyping in the headlines? That's not the one that matters. The actually useful part is buried, and OpenAI barely mentioned it. Let me show you what I found. Quick context. Today, July 11th, OpenAI released 2 things at once: GPT 5.6, their newest flagship model, and ChatGPT work, the long-rumored super app writers has been teasing for months. This is OpenAI's direct shot at Anthropic's enterprise push. The pitch: one workspace where the AI doesn't just chat, it executes multi-step work tasks end-to-end. Big claim. So I tested it. Here's what it actually does. First, the speed jump is real. GPT 5.6 drafted a complete client email, correct tone, pulled context from a thread I pasted, in about 4 seconds. GPT-5 took 11 on the same prompt. But the headline feature is task chaining inside ChatGPT work. I gave it one instruction: summarize this 40-minute meeting transcript, extract action items, draft follow-up emails to each owner, and build a status table. It did all 4 steps without me reprompting. That's the workflow Anthropic's Claude has been winning at, and honestly, this closes the gap. Where it disappointed me: the spreadsheet analysis. I fed it a 2000 row CSV and it misread a date column twice before getting it right. Claude handled the same file cleanly on the first pass. So no, this isn't a total victory, it's a leapfrog in some lanes, a stumble in others. So who is this actually for? If you live in email, meetings, and documents, project managers, consultants, ops people, ChatGPT work is genuinely worth a look, because the task chaining alone eliminates the copy-paste shuffle between tools. Who should skip it? Data-heavy analysts. Until they fix the structured data reliability, I wouldn't trust it with your quarterly numbers unsupervised. And if you're happy on Claude for writing heavy work, this isn't enough reason to switch today. It also still can't reliably access live company systems without setup. The super app framing oversells that part. Now the math, because pricing is where this gets interesting. ChatGPT work runs $30 per month. I currently pay $20 for a meeting notes tool and $15 for an email drafting assistant. That's $35 a month for 2 apps that ChatGPT work just replicated in one afternoon. Switching saves me $5 monthly and, more importantly, kills 2 logins. Over a year, that's $60 saved and roughly 20 hours of tool juggling gone. Your actionable takeaway today: OpenAI is offering a 14-day free trial. Take your single most annoying weekly task, mine was meeting follow-ups, and run it through the task chaining feature before the trial clock runs out. 15 minutes, real answer, 0 cost. Bottom line, GPT 5.6 is a real upgrade. ChatGPT work is 80% of the super app promise, and that 80% might already be worth your $30. Subscribe for daily AI intel, and drop a comment. What tool do you want me to cover next?